Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 5T, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is the cable. Type-C, plug it into your computer and have it ready on the side. So once that's ready, you want to shut off your device, hold power key, and once you see the option to tap on power off, that once more, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, you want to hold volume up and down, so both of the keys, volume up and volume down, and while pressing both of those keys, plug in a USB. Keep holding the keys. And we're now in the download mode, so let's just set it. And now it will begin. So this process will take several minutes, just be patient. It will look like it's stuck at 5% for the majority of the time, but it's trying to install updates. Once it's finished, it will automatically reset the device, so just keep in mind that it will basically be on 5% for the remainder of the time. Now I'll be back once this is actually finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so let's just unplug the device. So this is how you would enter the download mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.